Hello, and welcome back to the Bryan Fagan YouTube channel. I'm Trey Taylor, and today I'm going to explain the residency requirements for divorce in Texas, a crucial step that many people overlook when filing for divorce. If you don't meet these requirements, your case could be delayed or even dismissed. Let's break it down. In Texas, before you can file for divorce, you or your spouse must meet two key residency requirements. State residency. At least one spouse must have lived in Texas for a minimum of 6 months before filing. County residency. You must have lived in the county where you plan to file for at least 90 days. These requirements apply regardless of whether you were married in Texas or in another state. If neither spouse meets them, you may need to wait or consider filing in another state where residency can be established more quickly. If you or your spouse recently relocated, timing is critical. For example, if a couple lived in California for years, but one spouse moved to Houston 2 months ago, they would not yet be eligible to file for divorce in Texas. They would need to wait at least 4 more months to satisfy the 6-month residency rule. However, if one spouse still lives in California, that person may be able to file for divorce there instead, depending on that state's requirements. Choosing the right state can impact property division, child custody, and spousal support, so it's important to consult a lawyer before filing. Let's consider Amy and David, a couple who had been living in Dallas for most of their marriage. After separating, Amy moved to Florida while David stayed in Texas. A month after her move, Amy decided she was ready to file for divorce. She called an attorney only to find out that she couldn't file in Florida yet because she hadn't lived there long enough to establish residency. She also couldn't file in Texas because she had moved out of the state. Her best option was to wait until she met Florida's residency requirement or let David file for divorce in Texas, where he still met the 6-month and 90-day rules. Understanding the residency requirements for divorce in Texas is essential. Filing in the wrong place could lead to unnecessary delays or force you to restart the process later. If you've recently moved or your spouse lives in another state, you may have different legal options. We can help you determine when and where to file for divorce, ensuring the process goes as smoothly as possible. Schedule a free 30-minute consultation with us today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more legal insights. Until next time, take care.
Thanks for tuning in to the end. We understand that divorce can be expensive depending on the situation. That's why we're offering our Do-It-Yourself Texas Divorce e-course. You can get access to this e-course by clicking on the link in the description below. Catch you in the next video.